Verb to educate, in 4 conditional English tenses. 1. Conditional present, conditional simple. I would educate. You, we or they would educate. He or she would educate. 2. Conditional present continuous, conditional continuous. I would be educating. You, we or they would be educating. He or she would be educating. 3. Conditional past, conditional perfect. I would have educated. You, we or they would have educated. He or she would have educated. 4. Conditional past continuous, conditional perfect continuous. I would have been educating. You, we or they would have been educating. He or she would have been educating.